Yesterday at GTC 2026, NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang announced a piece of software called NemoClaw. This stack solves the biggest bottleneck in artificial intelligence right now: how to safely give an AI agent control over your computer. To understand NemoClaw, we have to look at its predecessor, OpenClaw. OpenClaw is a viral open-source AI agent. Instead of just answering questions in a browser tab, it lives on your local machine and takes direct action. It can execute shell commands, read files, and write complex scripts. Standard large language models simply generate text. OpenClaw is an untethered agent. You can ask it to organize your inbox or control your web browser, and it will physically execute those tasks on your operating system. But giving an AI the ability to read your hard drive and execute commands creates a massive security vulnerability. Deep system access makes the agent essentially uncontainable in its raw state. The immediate issue with raw agents is the unprompted action problem. One early OpenClaw user woke up to find their agent had scanned their entire email history to build a personalized dental and blood work dashboard. The AI was reading highly sensitive medical data without explicit permission. Then there's the risk of outside interference. Cisco's AI security team tested a third-party OpenClaw plugin and found they could execute a silent prompt injection to steal local data. A prompt injection is a security vulnerability where a user provides a specific text input that tricks an AI model into executing unauthorized commands. These glaring safety issues led to immediate pushback. Enterprise IT departments blocked the software, and the Chinese government banned state agencies from running OpenClaw on their networks. OpenClaw is incredibly capable, but running it in its base state is like running a high-performance engine on a bare metal block. Without a chassis or brakes to hold it, its raw power is a physical danger to the surrounding environment. The tech industry faced a crisis. Organizations wanted the automation power of an autonomous agent, but they required a way to deploy it without sacrificing basic digital security and corporate privacy. NVIDIA developed NemoClaw in direct collaboration with OpenClaw's creator to address this crisis. NemoClaw is an enterprise-grade security stack built specifically to tame the raw agent. The core of this stack is a secure runtime called NVIDIA OpenShell. OpenShell uses Linux containerization to wrap the AI in a strict digital quarantine, severing it from the rest of your machine. Containerization is a software deployment process that bundles an application's code with all the files and libraries it needs to run on any infrastructure. Instead of having free reign, the agent is restricted by declarative policies. To move a file or access a network, it must explicitly ask for permission. This creates an interactive approval flow. Human oversight is structurally integrated, ensuring no data moves without clearance. NemoClaw does not alter how smart the underlying AI is. It simply provides structural guardrails, making that intelligence legally safe for corporate deployment. The privacy router acts as a traffic cop. Highly sensitive corporate data is routed down a local hardware path, ensuring it never leaves the physical machine. Simultaneously, complex reasoning tasks without private data are passed down a cloud path to NVIDIA's Nematron models. While NemoClaw is free and open source, achieving absolute local privacy for heavy processing requires dedicated hardware, like an RTX-powered PC or an enterprise DGX workstation. By decoupling the brain, the heavy model processing, from the hands, the agent's local access, NemoClaw effectively eliminates the enterprise data leak problem. With these strict security layers, businesses can finally deploy autonomous agents. A software engineering team can set a NemoClaw agent to write and debug proprietary code overnight, knowing the sandbox prevents any source code from leaking to the public internet. A company can also direct a secured agent to ingest its private databases to handle customer service inquiries autonomously, while network guardrails keep customer data walled off. For individuals, the agent acts as a secure personal operating system. It can manage your calendar or book flights through standard messaging interfaces without handing your schedule over to a tech giant's cloud. Major technology companies are already capitalizing on this secure foundation. Tencent recently integrated wrapped OpenClaw agents directly into their WeChat super app, allowing consumers to use the AI without dealing with terminal commands. These diverse applications demonstrate that secure agentic AI is now a deployable commercial reality happening immediately. At GTC, Jensen Huang compared raw OpenClaw code to the early days of Linux. positioning this new ecosystem as the operating system for agentic computers. NemoClaw provides the secure interface to make that OS usable for the masses. We are moving away from destination AI, where you visit a specific website to type prompts into a chatbot. The industry is shifting toward ambient AI, digital assistants that live quietly in the background on your machine, proactively doing work across your apps. By establishing these security guardrails, NVIDIA has delivered the prerequisite infrastructure for a world run by autonomous digital workforces. To stay ahead of autonomous agents changing the tech landscape, hit subscribe to KYC AI Labs, and we'll see you in the next deep dive.